everyone! So we are the Bandilan siblings. So we're gonna make cake po for my mother's birthday. Sa Lunes na po kasi yung birthday niya. So we're gonna make a cake out of our budget. So nung nag-grocery po kami, we buy mamon. So it will be the main course. And we have here po our topic. Like this is the small marshmallows. This is the gummies. And this is nips. And this is the chocolate. So let's start decorating. First, let's put some chocolate in here.
Wow, takot ko. Ate, gawa natin bata. Gawa ko ng mata. Ate, gawa ko ng mata. Gawa ko ng mata. Mahirap. Kung sa kilay.
Kutsara. Kuha ka kutsara.
Okay lang yan.
Wow, kutsara.
Para may mata.
Parang kutsara.
Papa, kutsara!
Yes, boss.
So, mahirap po kasi itong tanggalin. Kasi po, binili lang namin ito sa tindahan. Small budget. You can do this if somebody has a birthday. Like, kaya niyo po ito gawin. Kasi lang, ito po 20 pesos lahat ng toppings. And yung mamon po, binili lang namin po ito sa grocery. Isang pack kami ng mamon. So, pero pag may maraming birthday, we can design po. Kasi po, this July, I said po, sa Lunes na po yung birthday ng mama namin. And July din po yung birthday ng papa namin. So, we have lots of mamon. And my brother, because I forget that to buy. So, my brother just get it. And I remember na when he get it. Thank you, Lobong, talaga. Like, we forget, like my brother don't forget it.
Oy, wala pa, diba? Wala pa?
Let's have a later.
English ng English. Wala naman jowa. Uy.
Huwag ka mahinig ka ng ganyan sa video. Nakakainis. Give me that.
Give me this. Give me that.
Huwag galawin.
Oh.
So guys, malinis yung kamay namin
Oo nga, hindi kami makalo. Diba? 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 Kasi nito,
first time ko guys magsalita sa vlog. Like super, marami akong sasalita sa vlog. Kasi guys, sa mga other vlogs namin, hindi ako nagsasalita kasi mahiyain ako. So by the way, I'm Lorraine and I'm 8 years old. Ay nag-school na kaming dalawa ng little brother ko. And my little brother is gonna be 5 at October 20.
Uy.
And it's very makulit. Like,
Next mo.
halil ito. No, huwag ka na magkulong. So, where's the spoon? So, we're gonna
Make it.
No, we're gonna
Durog yan.
No, we're gonna eat like super. Like it's so sticky.
No. It's a slime. No, it's
I'm
slime.
just gonna
It's a prank.
Cause my naman is hand is
Ate, ito yung fake.
whoever is watching shout out. So,
Lil, mag-e-egg ka ba?
so
Hotdog ako.
Hotdog ka na lang.
here's me.
I'm
It's ugly because I'm not really good at that. Next, we're gonna put the toppings. Huwag mo galawin.
Ay!
First, let's put the nips.
Ate, di ba di ako napapalagay eh?
Oh, mamaya na yung marshmallows. So, we're gonna put yan, guys. Meron pang mga chocolate, Can you get, sabihin mo kay Papa, can you get the scissors? Sabihin mo.
Papa, kuha mo daw yung bunting.
Ba yung English money?
Oh.
Yun! Wala kami jowa.
Huwag kang, kalay, huwag kang
si Mati.
Asawa na nga siya. Huwag ka na nga magkulong. Ulit.
Nakakatapping.
Oo nga. Ito muna yung mga malalaki.
Ito naman, maliliit eh.
Wala pa. Wait lang, kinain mo ba yung iba? Oo. Huwag kang magaling. So guys, let's put na yung mga marshmallows kasi nilagay na namin yung mga gummies. Tumba pa nga. Like, ito na guys. Like,
Parang pangit na.
yeah, it's so ugly. Pero guys, masarap naman.
Oh.
Like, super masarap.
Yes. Yes. I'm a chocolate.
We should put a space for the candle.
Yes.
But
We
let's
are.
just put the pot at the side.
Side this. Side this. This. This is crack. No.
Tapos
This is
guys,
joke.
pwede din kayo magmalaki na marshmallow if you want.
This 1, 2, 3, 4,
Pwede nyo din to gawin kung gusto nyo, ha?
We alive 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Why is nagawa rin? Why is atatag ko? Kasi ang pangit bro.
Kali.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Joke lang. Joke lang naman. Joke lang. Kala mo, pangit ko. Di ko naman po.
Kali. Huwag ka magkulong.
Joke lang naman. Joke lang. I'm English, bro. No Tagalog.
My little brother don't really understand English.
Yes, I know. I know.
He only talks Tagalog, and if he talk English, we cannot understand him.
No. I'm Tagalog.
English is really bad. No.
Nobody like here. Nobody like here. No joke.
Malamang bata pa ako. Anong pinagsasabi mo? So, guys, this is the final touch, guys. Ayan na.
Ay, di na natin to.
So, this is our card for my mom. Like, I made it myself. And my brother has two. But, where's this? This is my brother's. He writes two, guys. Look. This is the first one.
It's mine. It's
Yeah.
mine.
And this is the one he made two. He made two and I only made one. So, bye-bye guys. See you next vlog.